Daddy, we are going together.
You want to follow me?
Yes.
If you want to follow me, I will ask you 4 questions. Once you get the question correctly, then you're free to follow me.
Daddy, you know I'm a Buddha now.
Yeah!
Any question?
Question 1.
Okay.
Who is the president of Nigeria?
President Muhammadu Buhari. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Yes, Ogba. Good. Second question. Who is the first female to drive car in Nigeria?
Fumilayo Ransom Kuti.
Yes. You get it right. Number 3. Which tribe was the first to spend dollars in the whole world? Even before the Oyibo come.
Gari Ijebu. Ijebu ló kọ́kọ́ náwó dọ́là Oyibo tó dé.
You get that one? Okay. 4th question. Who is the first man to stop plane from moving in the whole world?
Gaya ni o.
Makawai now. Kwamwan King Ayinde Wasiu Masha. Baba yẹn ló gùn gan. Òun ló kọ́ dá plane dúró. The first man in the whole world to stop a plane from moving.
Go and meet him. Okay, don't know stop the plane.
That people have meet up with all those questions now.
Babi we pa.